In this video, I'll show you how to add friends with Ubisoft Connect. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is log into the Ubisoft website, and you can find a link in the description below. Once you've logged in, this is how it's going to look like. Now, you're going to scroll to the far right of the page where you see this display icon. You click on it, and that will verify that you're logged into your account. If it doesn't show a logout button at the bottom here, you will need to log in into your account so you can be verified and you can be able to add friends. Now, right next to this button, you can see another button that has a silhouette and it has an image of two people standing next to each other. You click on that button, and this is where you can add friends. You click on this add friends button here. Now, you're going to have to input the name of the friend that you're looking for. And once you do that, you're going to press enter, and that's going to go. But you also have options of finding friends that are on other accounts, like your PlayStation account and your Xbox account. But that will need you to link with the Xbox or with the PlayStation for you to find them. Now, once you send that, the friend request will go to the person you're looking for, and you'll be able to add them. And that's how you add friends in Ubisoft Connect. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.